Welcome back. You're watching the 8th match in round 2 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Montego Bay Christian Academy on 6 and Great Start Academy on 7. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. The first face-off is in mathematics between Alex Lee from Montego Bay and Chloe Littleton from Great Start. Alex, what is 23.62 plus 19.89?
$43.51.
Correct. What is 53,987 rounded to the nearest 100,000?
100,000.
Correct. A teacher has 50 students in her class and 26 are moved to another class. What percentage of her students has remained?
48%.
Correct. What is the value of C if 7C minus 25 equals 38?
9.
Correct. And what number, when added to 188, is equal to 1,376?
1,200.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Chloe?
Yes, Miss. 1,188.
That is correct. Your questions now, Chloe. What is 29.98 plus 14.79?
44.77.
Correct. What is 42,539 rounded to the nearest thousand?
42,000.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Alex?
Yes, Miss. 43,000.
Correct. Chloe, a professor has 50 students in his class, but only 32 have shown up. What percent of his students are absent? Would you like to try, Alex?
Yes, Miss. 36%.
Correct. Chloe, what is the value of x if 12x minus 40 equals 32?
8.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Alex?
Yes, Miss. 6.
Correct. And Chloe, what number, when added to 249, is equal to 1,227? 'Question passes to Alex. Would you like to try?
Yes, Miss. 978.
That is correct. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this is Captain Tia Chambers from Montego Bay up against a Jean McPherson from Great Start. Tia, complete this statement correctly. The substance in the mouth that contains special enzymes and breaks down starchy food while chewing is called the?
Saliva.
Correct. In which medium does light travel at a speed of 300,000 kilometers in 1 second?
Rays.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Dejan?
No, Miss.
It's in a vacuum. Tia, a turbine gets mechanical energy from the wind to make what?
Electrical energy.
Correct. What type of materials best absorb sounds so that there are no echoes?
Rough materials.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Dejan?
No, Miss.
Soft materials. Tia, in which of these layers of the atmosphere does all weather take place? Is it the ionosphere, stratosphere, or troposphere?
The troposphere.
That is correct. Dejan, your questions. Complete this statement correctly. The cells in the retina which change light into electrical signals for the brain are the?
Rods and cones.
Correct. Through which medium does sound travel at 344 meters in 1 second?
Solid medium.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tia?
No, thank you.
It's the air. Dejan, which device is designed to collect and use heat energy from the sun?
Solar panel.
No. Tia, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's a solar collector. Dejan, bats use which technique to tell the distance of objects?
Echolocation.
Correct. And in which of these layers of the atmosphere is the ozone layer located? Is it the stratosphere, the mesosphere, or troposphere?
Stratosphere.
Correct. That's the end of the science face-off. We move on to English language, and this face-off is between Asia Africa Smith of Montego Bay and Tiana Wilson, captain from Great Start. Asia Africa, give a 6-letter synonym starting with P for the word gain. Would you like to try, Tiana?
No, miss.
It's profit. Asia Africa, change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I arrived in Mexico on Sunday.
I am going to Mexico on Sunday.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tiana?
No, miss.
I am arriving in Mexico on Sunday. Asia Africa, spell corruption.
CORRUPTION.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word confirmed.
Unconfirmed.
Correct. Complete this idiom, which means to be treated just like how you treat others. To get a taste of your own.
Medicine.
That's correct. Tiana, your questions. Give an 8-letter synonym starting with P for the word forbid.
Prohibit.
Correct. Change this sentence to the future tense. I went to school on Tuesday.
I am going to school on Tuesday.
Incorrect. Would you like to try Asia Africa?
Yes, please. I will be going to school on Tuesday.
Incorrect. I will go to school on Tuesday. Tiana, spell knowledge.
KNOWLEDGE.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word salted.
Non-salted.
Incorrect. Would you like to try Asia Africa?
Yes, please. Unsalted.
Correct. Tiana, complete the idiom which means something is easy. It's a piece of?
Cake.
That is correct. The end of the English language face-off takes us to the final face-off in social studies between Casey Ann Coke from Montego Bay and Angelise Simpson from Great Academy. Casey Ann, what is the official language of Haiti?
Spanish.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Angelise?
Yes, Miss. French.
Correct. Casey Ann, what is the third smallest planet in the solar system?
Uranus.
Incorrect. Angelise, would you like to try?
Yes, Miss. Neptune.
Incorrect. It's Venus. Casey Ann, Cayenne is the capital of which Caribbean territory? Would you like to try, Angelise?
No, Miss.
It's French Guiana. Casey Ann, Sir Frank Walcott is a national hero in which Caribbean country?
Bahamas.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Angelise?
No, Miss.
It's Barbados. And Casey Ann, which Caribbean country is the Ian Fleming International Airport located?
Barbados.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Angelise?
No, Miss.
It's Jamaica. Your questions now, Angelise. What is the official language of Belize?
Spanish.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Casey Ann?
Yes, please. English.
That is correct. Angelise, what is the 6th planet from the sun?
Saturn.
Correct. Cranland Jake is the capital of which Caribbean territory, Angelise?
British Guyana.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Casey Ann?
No, thank you.
It's Bonaire. Angelise, Vere Bird Sr. was regarded as the father of which Caribbean country?
Haiti.
Incorrect. Casey Ann, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Antigua and Barbuda. And Angelise, in which Caribbean country is the Toussaint Louverture International Airport?
Antigua and Barbuda.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Casey Ann?
No, thank you.
It's Haiti. And that brings us to the end of our face-off with Montego Bay on 21 and Great Academy on 16. The final challenge is next on TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. Please stay with us.